Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSL Ride 254, man. Buckle up for safety. So yeah, man, we headed over to Cortez's this morning. The box Chevy is pretty much done, minus a couple things. So we're gonna bring her home, and then the other little things I'm gonna finish up myself. But they're real minor, real minor. So I will cut y'all back on when we get there, man. All right, y'all. So we got it to the house. Not this, but I just want to show you how had that light blessing that thing. And she dirty, but she's still shining. Still shining. If y'all haven't, new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all know what it is. But yeah, the box is back home. I'll show you, baby. Seats in here. Ended up being like an extra bracket on the, we didn't think that was gonna work, but it ended up being an extra bracket or something. So I got that to work. See what else. The gauges, as you can see, they in there. Turn signals, brakes, check engine, all that up in there. We were able actually to retain and use the stock column, so that's how we're gonna rock it. And then the rest of the gauges are down here. You got your temp, oil pressure, volts, and then the switch for the roof. You can see up there. Came all the way together, man. Looks good. I haven't decided. We still got the door panels. Depending upon how they fit, if they fit, it's going to determine if we end up using those. And then, I mean, it honestly don't look terrible like that. The wood grain probably throw it off a little bit. It don't really flow with the rest of it, so we do have those back here. So all we gotta do is work them in and go from there. But for now, it's good to go. You know what I'm saying? Hit the lights for you. See it light up there. All right, my fault. I'm down radio connected. Show you the lights. They light up as well. So, everything in here looking good. Like I said, a couple final touches, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get the original trim put off in there, and it will fill up that gap there. But other than that, man, she's GTG. Shout out to Cortez for his subject matter experts. And that, y'all know that we dynamitted or kill matted the floors. probably gonna end up coming back. I guess maybe the underside of the trunk or something. I don't know. We'll see. Some people don't like the rattle, man. I like the rattle. I mean, a little bit of rattle. I guess not too much rattle. Yeah, you see it. You see it. So, one step closer, a huge step actually, because you know we're getting ready for Whip Fest. So we gonna see what it do, baby. Next major step is gonna be paint. So we probably gonna get ready to start sanding, body work, and all that stuff. Get it ready for the next step. So till then, man, it's your boy LS Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity and procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.